Hello, reading friends. Welcome to today's story, Justus, the Brilliant Climate Engineer. I hope you enjoy. Once upon a time, in a world where the sun was burning hot and the rivers were running dry, there lived Justus, the Brilliant Climate Engineer. Justus loved the earth and wanted to find a way to help cool down the planet and bring back the rain. In an overheated and parched world, Justus, an exceptional climate engineer, saw an opportunity to reduce temperatures and bring back the raindrops. Justus noticed Earth's temperatures steadily increased due to population and deforestation. He said something must be done immediately to save Earth and its unique inhabitants. Justus set out to make an immediate and significant difference by developing an inventive machine. With the help of other scientists, Luca and BJ, he constructed an incredible machine to capture harmful gases and release clean air into the atmosphere. The machine began cooling Earth. Soon after that, rain clouds arrived, and gentle showers quenched the thirstiness of the inhabitants. People and animals celebrated as rivers and lakes returned as fresh water sources. Plants blossomed with taller leaves, while animals found more food for nourishment. Justus's machine quickly became famous, earning him worldwide praise as an environmental hero. People around the globe sought to educate themselves and contribute towards saving the earth. They worked together with Justus by planting trees, recycling materials, and using clean energy sources, such as renewable power. Together they planted thousands of trees, recycled materials, and used renewable sources for the energy protection of Earth. Thanks to Justus's remarkable mind and resolve, the world became cooler and greener. Children could play beneath sunny skies, while animals danced among the raindrops. As time passed, Earth began to heal, as people recognized its true value and nurtured this beautiful home of ours with care and affection.